हम लोग करने वाले हैं इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल या सर्कुलर फंक्शन। ओके, इसके प्रॉब्लम्स करने हैं। और जो प्रॉब्लम्स हम लोग करेंगे आज, पिछले क्लास में हम लोगों ने प्रॉब्लम सेशन 1 किया था, जिसमें हम लोगों ने प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट किया था, राइट। इस वाले और इसके अगले वाले में हम लोग आईआईटी जेईई मेंस और एडवांस, अभी मेंस की बात करेंगे, एडवांस की अभी कुछ देर के बाद 2-3 लेक्चर हम लोग मेंस की करेंगे और उसके बाद फिर हम लोग एडवांस की बात करेंगे। ओके, तो उसके भी क्वेश्चंस हम लोग करने वाले हैं बहुत ही जल्दी। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना। ओके, स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना। सारे स्टूडेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज जल्दी जल्दी ज्वाइन करें फटाफट। सेशन बहुत ही शानदार होने वाला है, बहुत ही शानदार। प्रॉब्लम्स आपको देख के मजा आ जाएगा, जो भी प्रॉब्लम हम लोग करेंगे यहाँ पे। तो बच्चों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज जल्दी जल्दी ज्वाइन करें। अभी बहुत ही कम बच्चे हैं, एक ही बच्चे आए हैं, ज्वाइन हुए हैं, तो कुछ देर वेट कर लेते हैं। क्लियर? शेयर किसको कर सकते हैं यहाँ से हम लोग? अगर शेयर करने की कोशिश करें तो चलो व्हाट्सएप में शेयर कर लेते हैं। कौन कौन से बच्चों को शेयर किया जा सकता है? ओके, चलिए कुछ देर वेट करते हैं, फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन। ओके राइट, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फटाफट. ओके सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, स्टार्ट करते हैं बहुत ही शानदार क्वेश्चन से, ठीक है. और आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसे मिलेंगे यहाँ पे ना. चलिए, क्वेश्चन कह रहा है प्रूव दैट tan इनवर्स x माइनस वाई, tan इनवर्स x माइनस वाई डिवाइड बाई 1 प्लस एक्स वाई इज प्लस tan इनवर्स y माइनस z डिवाइड बाई 1 प्लस वाई जेड प्लस tan इनवर्स z माइनस x divided by 1 plus x z. So the value of this is equal to tan inverse x square minus y square divided by 1 plus x square y square plus tan inverse y square minus z square divided by 1 plus y square into z square plus tan inverse z square minus x square divided by 1 plus x square and z square. So we have to prove this one, inverse circular function, the inverse circular function. तो अगर आपको छोटा दिख रहा हो तो आप जूम करके भी देख सकते हैं. Now it seems to be very complicated, but if we see here LHS, अगर हम LHS बात करते हैं, so can we write here tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. So this is equal to nothing. This is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, tan inverse y. So we have three terms in LHS and all are in addition. So we can further write here tan inverse y minus z divided by 1 plus yz is equal to tan inverse, that is y minus tan inverse z, because we have tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Similarly, we can break this one as tan inverse z minus x divided by 1 plus x z. So this is equal to tan inverse z minus tan inverse x. So adding all these, we get the value of left hand side. So suppose this summation is suppose alpha. So this we have alpha is equal to or we can write alpha, that is the summation of, so we can also write here tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy plus tan inverse y minus z divided by 1 plus yz plus tan inverse z minus x divided by, so this is z minus x divided by 1 plus xz. So we add up all the terms in the left hand side and we get here, so tan inverse y is cancelled out by tan inverse y, tan inverse x cancel out with the negative tan inverse, that is 0. So adding all of these we get the value 0. So this value is equal to 0. Now proceeding in the same way, we can write here, see here, tan inverse x square minus y square divided by 1 plus x square y square. So we can write here tan inverse x square minus tan inverse y square, proceeding in the same way. Now further, tan inverse y square minus x square divided by 1 plus y square, and this is z square, not x square. So z square is equal to tan inverse y square minus tan inverse z square, and finally we have tan inverse z square minus x square divided by 1 plus z square into x square. So this is equal to tan inverse z square minus tan inverse x square. Now adding all these we get this one. So again this is equal to 0. So this, suppose this is alpha and suppose this is, the sum is beta. So suppose this is beta. So we have alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 0. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. So here we prove LHS is equal to RHS. So this question is very easy one. And based on the summation of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, and the formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x square. So you need to remember some basic formula. Already we have discussed these formula in previous lecture. Okay. Now the second question here is, which is very important and very interesting question. Not important, actually this question already asked in many examination, previous examination. So we have to prove that sine cot inverse tan cos inverse x is equal to x. So we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS, and this question is asked in many examination in previous, including JE. Okay. And the concept based on this question is frequently asked in IIT JEE Mains and always and also JEE Advanced. So in such type of question we have to convert inverse circular function, that is if we have tan cos inverse x, so we can convert cos inverse x in terms of tan inverse x, because we have tan inverse x is equal to x in the given defining value given domain. Okay, so first of all we have to convert cos inverse x in tan inverse x. So let us assume that cos inverse x is an angle, so we can write it as theta is equal to cos inverse x. So once we write, we have cos theta is equal to x divided by 1. So we can write this cos theta is equal to base over hypotenuse. So by proportionality constant we can write here base is equal to x and to k, where k is the proportionality constant. Here we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So h is equal to 1 into k. So we can find p square is equal to h square minus b square. So we have h square, that is k square minus b square, that is x square into k square. So we can write here p square is equal to k square into 1 minus x square. So further we can write p is equal to k under root 1 minus x square. When we already find the value of perpendicular p, can we convert this cos theta into tan theta? So we have tan theta is equal to again perpendicular over base. So we have perpendicular is k into under root 1 minus x square divided by base is 1 into k. So base is equal to x into k. Sorry, here base is equal to x into k. So this is x into k. So k and k is cancel out. So we can write here theta is equal to tan inverse 1 minus under root 1 minus x square divided by x. So we here convert theta is equal to cot inverse x. So this is so this is cos is, yes, here we assume cos inverse x is b over h. Okay, here we write mistakenly cos into cot, so please correct it. Hence we have theta is equal to tan inverse this one. So we have sine cot inverse tan LHS. Here we are dealing with LHS. So tan and cos inverse x can be written as tan inverse, see here, under root 1 minus x square divided by x. Okay, so we have sine cot inverse tan inverse, this is tan inverse, this is x. So we can write here 1 minus x square divided by x. Again, let theta, suppose alpha is equal to cot inverse under root 1 minus x square divided by x. So we can write here cot alpha is equal to under root 1 minus x square divided by x, and cot alpha is base over hypotenuse, perpendicular. So we have hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what here? We find that is 1. So we can write this in sine form, because we have to find sine. So we have sine alpha is equal to perpendicular, that is x, divided by hypotenuse. So x into k divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 1 into k. So k and k is cancel out. So we can write further here alpha is equal to sine inverse x. Is it okay? So alpha is equal to cot inverse x, and this is equal to sine inverse x. So here we find that the value of cot inverse x is equal to nothing, that is sine inverse x. So we can put here sine into sine inverse x. Then the final expression is this one, and this is equal to x. Hence we get the desired value of RHS, that is x. Clear? Okay. So we did here 2 problem, and both problem are very interesting one. If you have any problem or any doubt in understanding physics or chemistry or mathematics up to level JE, either it will be JE Mains or JE Advanced, and also NEET for physics and chemistry, not for biology, you can directly ask me in comment box, and please subscribe our channel, just so that you get notification of the live video, because the timing of live video is not fixed. So whenever you got the notification, you will join at that instant if possible. Okay, so today we will done here. In next class we will further move for the next 2 or 3 questions, because the long lecture is not desirable. So we can manage our lecture in 40 to 45 minutes. So for today, have a nice day. Jai Hind.